One of the things that I learned by doing, it wasn't an insight I had at the outset, was that a match is the most important. Having someone who's in your home caring for your child, young or an adult child, they have to be compatible with your child's personality and needs and wants, but also yours and kind of your household at large. And so a lot of people, when they're searching for care, probably because the platforms that they use are designed this way, but they launch straight into, I need care on Monday afternoons and Thursday evenings, and over the summer I'm going to need this, that, or the other. And it's all about logistics. But then when the people who are applying for that job don't really have full context on the people that they're caring for and the personalities and the passions and interests and types of sense of humor or cultural nuances of the house, it often leads to the feeling of this just doesn't feel like the right match. And then not because anyone is coming from a bad place, but oftentimes the employer will feel like they're not a good caregiver. And the caregiver will think they're not a good employer. But in actuality, it's just not a good match. So I think thinking more about providing the context about the household and the child and what it is at a deeper level you think will help enhance how your household works and bring the best out in your child is really the most important part of a match. All the other stuff can be figured out and taught. For example, does it really matter if someone has as long as they have a clean driving record, if they have experience driving with a child in the car, that's something that you can, coach and teach and, build up. But if they come in with a sparkling personality and someone who is just a perfect fit, um, again, like a perfect match for your household, I think that is something that has staying power and you can teach the other stuff. So I think people tend to launch straight into, are our schedules compatible, not are we compatible as people?